Now, if we look at this market, it has been in a runaway uptrend, so we're in this ranging period and it's just burst straight higher. Now, I am going against this trend, and occasionally 2 out of 10 trades, you can. That's the sort of ratio you can trade against the trend. The other 8 trades out of 10, you do want to be getting aboard with the trend in your favour. However, pin bars are pin bar reversals, so that means we have to pick them at swing points and look for them to. They're an early indication that the market is going to reverse. Okay, now the market can't continue to just go up and up and up without at some point pulling back. Okay, and that's what I'm playing here. I'm looking for a small pullback. I'll take my profit, and then I'll probably look to get long in another trade with the trend. Okay, but I don't just pick out a random pin bar from any old area and trade it. If I zoom out on this chart, you'll see that we have. I'll put a horizontal line through where this pin bar is. So we've got the pin bar. You'll see that we have a whole heap of high. So this is prior resistance. Okay. So now the pin bar has formed at this same area. We're looking for that same area now to act as resistance again and burst lower. Now, I'm not going to be looking to hold this trade for an extended period of time because I am trading against a trend, and like I said, when I trade against a trend, I'm only looking for short trades because the market is likely to turn back around and continue that up momentum. The area I'll be looking at is, if you can see all these, if we zoom back in on the chart, I'll just get rid of these for us. If we have a look at the chart, we'll see these bar highs here. Okay, now they're acting as they were previous resistance. The market couldn't break through, then the market shot through. Once this pin breaks, I'll be looking for price to go lower and get to this same area, and I'd expect that same area to act as support. So that'll be my take profit or break even area. Okay, so once price does get back there, I will take profit, most likely in this case, because this trend is so strong, and I'll simply leave the trade at that. So how am I going to enter this trade? Okay, so it's pretty simple. I'm just going to play a break of the pin bar. So what I mean by that is when price breaks lower from the bottom of that pin bar, I will short. I've already set my entry order, and it is at the bottom of the pin bar, and as soon as price does break through, I will be short. I'm going to leave the video there now. I'm going to come back in a few days' time, and I'll finish off the video showing you guys how I took profit, how I managed to trade. So I'll talk to you in a few days' time.
Hey traders, Jonathan back again, just to recap the second part of this video on the daily setup of the US dollar Canadian. Roughly 2 hours ago, I've been taken out at full profit on this trade. The pin bar was the initial signal. As you can see, over the last 36 hours or so, price has just dramatically fallen lower into this support area. Now, the support area was made up of these recent candle highs or bar highs, all sort of matching up, and I've got a horizontal line through there exactly where I took profit. So you've got these bar highs or candle highs acting as support, and all I simply did was throw my level through there, and that's where I look to take. I took all my profit off the table. Now, the reason I was so keen to either move the break even or take profit in this example is because we've got this runaway up momentum. So we're having short and sharp pullbacks, but then the trend's continuing. And that's what I'll be looking for here as well. We're looking for that pullback like we had, take profit, and now looking for that uptrend or up momentum to continue.